food from animals. In this module, you will learn about different food items that we get from animals. Sid's mother has made breakfast for Sid. Let's join them and see what they are having.
Oh wow! Bread and butter. I want more butter, Mama.
Looks like Sid loves to eat butter. Like him, we all eat butter. Ever wondered where does this butter actually come from? Come, let us find out. Butter is made from milk. Not only butter, but many other things that we eat, like cheese, curd, ghee and paneer, are also made from milk. Now, do you know where do we get this milk from? Well, milk is obtained from some animals like cow, goat and buffalo. It is not only milk, but there are various other food products that we get from animals. For example, egg. We get eggs from hens. Not only hens, but also geese and ducks give us eggs. Eggs are used for making omelettes, cakes, pastries, and muffins. Another food item that we get from animals is meat. People eat meat of different animals such as goat, duck, and sheep. Some people also like to have certain meat as food, like those of fish, prawns, and crab. One more food item that we get from animals is honey. We get honey from honeybees. Honeybees prepare honey from the nectar of flowers in a beehive. We add honey to different food items to make them sweet. Let's recap. We get many food items from animals. We get milk from cow, goat, and buffalo. We get eggs from hen, geese, and duck. We get meat from goat and hen. We get honey from honeybees.